Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some skincare for you featuring Skin 1004. I found this on superdrug and I bought it from superdrug marketplace. You have to pay a little bit extra whenever you shop on superdrug marketplace, so bear that in mind. So this is just the packaging that I'm showing you. I bought a face cleanser, a toner and a moisturizer, and this is some Korean skincare that I really wanted to try for the longest while. So to start, I'm using the Poremizing Deep Cleansing Foam, which is £14.70. It's 4.22 fluid ounces. It gives you a rich creamy lather. My face definitely feels clean and tight afterwards, and it's got a mild exfoliating function to it, and it's calming also for the skin. The skin type that this is made for is oily, normal or combination skin. For my skin, I have mainly dry skin, but I can be a little bit oily in my T-zone, so this product works well for my skin type. The main ingredient in this product is cantella, which is a herb, and it definitely has a herb smell to it. It has medical properties. It's wound healing apparently, so if you have a wound, cantella is good for healing the wound. It's anti-inflammatory and it provides hydration for your skin. It does a range of other things, but I just wanted to list a few key points. So I washed my face 2 times, one on camera, one off camera, and I was actually meant to have my steamer on at this time. The steamer was not turning on for some strange reason, so I'm going to steam after I wash my face, but usually you're meant to steam whilst you're cleansing. At this stage, I'm using my face steamer, which is actually a clothes steamer, but I use it for my face and hair, to steam my face. It's going to open up the pores, it's going to hydrate my skin, and it's just going to give me soft, beautiful skin. Ideally, it's best to do this whilst you're cleansing because you can get a much more deeper cleanse this way. I put a little bit of kettle water into the container, and the steam pumps out for about 10 minutes. Now moving on, I'm using the Madagascar Cantella Toning Toner. It's $8.99. It's 7.10 fluid ounces, and the benefits are as follows. It's mild, soothing, gentle, and is appropriate for daily use. It removes dead skin cells, and you're supposed to use this either with a cotton pad like what I'm doing, or you can put it in the palm of your hand and pat it into your face. Last but not least, I'm going on to the Madagascar Cantella Probiotica Enrich Cream. So this is 50 milliliters. It's £22.47. Again, it's a Korean brand, Korean face cream. It soothes, it smoothens, it hydrates, and it targets inflammation and irritation. I find this cream to be so soft, and it gives me like the long-lasting moisture that I need for the day, especially traveling to and from work. When I come home, my face is still quite soft and moisturized. As I said, the product is Korean and it has a very herbal smell. I do like the product. I would recommend it. I would use it again, and it's worth it for the price. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.